We are expecting nothing but victory, and we are just encouraging our brothers in Ghana that they should keep on praying. Both Muslims and Christians, they should intensify their prayers, because tomorrow's match is going to determine whether we are winning the trophy or not. But we are hoping that we win tomorrow's match and bring the trophy home.
Sometimes we listen to the news coming from Ghana. Some Ghanaians even hoping that Ghana should return. Ghana should be knocked out. How do you feel? And what is your message to the Ghanaians?
Yeah, I'm just pleading with them that they should keep their fingers crossed, and nothing is preventing Ghana from winning tomorrow's match. So inshallah, we are winning tomorrow's match. Yeah, Kudus will score, and then the other one in dreadlocks, Razak will score. So it's going to be Majid. So we are going to score them 2-1 or 2-0. Yeah.
As a Ghanaian, Black Star is our only team that we have. So we must give them a maximum support for them to win tomorrow. So I'm sure that tomorrow they are going to do better than what they do against Egypt. And they will win tomorrow.
You seem to have confidence. Why are you hopeful? Why are you confident?
I have confidence because the second match that they played against Egypt was very good. They didn't get a good luck, that's why we played 2-2. So when people and the group that we meet is the Egypt that we fear. So when they used to play 2-2 against Egypt, that means they can do more better to win against Mozambique.
Sometimes we hear some Ghanaians at home say they lost hope and they want the Black Stars to be kicked out. How do you feel when you hear this?
We know our team, we know our Black Star. Ghana is always like that. When we go to tournament, our first match is always like we can't do nothing. And Ghanaians, it's true, they have some people, they are not agreeable, they don't want the coach, and some people also don't want some players that they are among the team, so they should even reject them. So they can say it with their mouth, but inside their heart they love Black Star. They all support, and I'm sure tomorrow they are going to deliver and win against Mozambique.
You are a leader here or something?
For me, because of Black Star, we stop our activities. I'm a chairman of a shoe sellers association in Cote D'Ivoire. So we stop now. Our work is to support Black Star. So we are giving them maximum support. We have our buses, we have our tickets that we go there and just shouting their name, know that we are all here to support them. So they should give what they have to win against Mozambique and go forward. And I'm sure tomorrow we are going to win.
Do you have any prediction?
Yes, tomorrow, inshallah, we are going to win by 3-1 or 3-0.
Absolutely, we know that tomorrow, inshallah, Black Stars is going to win tomorrow's match against Mozambique. We are optimistic in the sense that looking at the last match we played against Egypt, the energy and the determination our players use clearly tells that they have the nation at heart. And certainly, God willing, tomorrow we are going to get the 3 maximum points and qualify to the next stage.
There are Ghanaians at home who have lost hope in the Black Star. What is your message?
Oh, everything is patience, especially in football. You either win, you draw, or you lose. Sometimes when the going is getting tougher, all what we need as citizens of Ghana is to rally behind our men so that at least they will make the nation proud. But a situation where we chastise them, insult them, it discourages or it demotivates them, which will at the end will affect us as a whole. So I'm encouraging our brothers and sisters back home to, as a matter of urgency, rally behind in prayers, and we will also be here to support them in our numbers, cheer them to victory. God willing, tomorrow Ghana is going to win. Certainly Ghana is going to win 2-1 against Mozambique. Sure. Semenyo, I know, will score, and then Ashmiru will also score.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.